Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can remove the hidden feature from any file or from any folder. It's very easy and very simple. To do that, you just have to right click on that file. In my case, it's a folder, so just right click on that and then you can see a option, show more options here. Just tap on that and you can see a properties. Just click on properties and then you can see a option hidden. Just uncheck it and apply, then click OK and then click OK. So hidden feature is removed from that folder. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.